the open source tool to clean up Windows 11 and 10 fast. Windows 11 and 10 often come bloated with apps, services, and settings that most users don't need. From pre-installed games and Copilot integrations to aggressive telemetry and ads in the start menu, it's a lot to deal with if you're looking for a clean and private OS experience. That's where CrapFixer comes in. What is CrapFixer? CrapFixerGitHub.com/builtbybel/CrapFixer is a free and open source Windows cleaner and tweaking tool developed by Builtbybel, the same developer behind popular tools like Bloaty Nosy and This Is Win11. Unlike registry hacks or complex PowerShell scripts, CrapFixer offers K, a simple GUI, click-to-clean modules, community-powered plugins, one-click removal of Microsoft bloatware, telemetry, and ads. Key features: bloatware removal. Strip out unnecessary stock apps, e.g. Xbox, OneDrive, Solitaire, Clipchamp. Privacy hardening. Disable location tracking, feedback services, and data sync. Visual tweaks. Turn off animations, transparency, and UI clutter. Plugin support. Load PowerShell scripts like Chris Titus Tech's Windows Toolbox like WinUtil. System restore point. Automatically creates restore points before changes. How to use CrapFixer. 1. Download the app. Visit the CrapFixer GitHub releases page. It's github.com/builtbybel/fix/releases. And download the latest crapfixer.exe. You may need to bypass Microsoft's Smart Screen or antivirus warnings. This is common with advanced tools not signed by Microsoft. 2. Run as administrator. Right-click the exe file, run as administrator to allow system-level changes. 3. Explore tabs. Windows tab, adjust system settings, privacy, UI, telemetry. Apps tab, uninstall unwanted built-in apps. Plugins tab, run external scripts, e.g. remove OneDrive, reset policies. 4. Check or uncheck items. Only keep items checked if you want them removed or changed. Uncheck anything you want to keep. 5. Click Run. Apply changes with a single click. CrapFixer will handle the cleanup, tweak settings, and show logs afterward. Bonus: extend with plugins. The plugins folder lets you load additional scripts like uninstall OneDrive, restore or remove all built-in apps, Chris Titus Tech Toolbox integration, create restore points. Makes CrapFixer adaptable for both beginners and power users. Is CrapFixer safe? Yes, it's open source, transparent, and regularly updated. You can audit the source code or fork it for your own use. Just be sure to create a restore point before making major changes, which CrapFixer also offers natively. Final thoughts. If you're tired of bloated Windows installs and want a fast, no-nonsense tool to clean, optimize, and protect your system, CrapFixer is one of the best free options out there. It combines automation with customization and is backed by a community of Windows power users.